Guys, look at this sunset over here. We got Tanner. Say what's up.
What up?
Yep, we in the whip right now. We're doing a little vlog today. We're about to head down to this park in Everett. And so... Get it. Yeah, dude. Hell yeah, man.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing.
Straight, I guess. Straight. Man, that corner. Whoa.
I might swerve in that corner, whoa.
This road is actually sick. Good for filming these. Get out the house. Yeah. You got some good pictures. We got Tanner right now. He's recording it, filming it. That's the farthest I can go. That is insane. Wow. I really like that. Wow. You guys, I'll upload it on the video, but you guys can't see that.